What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. As you can see, I have the Miata project right behind me. We're gonna continue the detailed job that I was doing the other day. Excuse me. Except today's focus is gonna be the engine bay and the tires and wheels. As you can see, the engine bay looks okay. I had already taken out some of the pieces that are here and just cleaned them. So for example, I took out the intake, I took out the vacuum canister, I took out the overflow tank, and I took out the windshield wiper. Besides that, I had already cleaned the valve cover because it had a oil leak. I changed the valve cover gasket. That's where the leak was coming from. As you can tell, there's still some oil right there. So those are the things that we're gonna focus on today. The body is pretty much done, so I don't really have to do anything else to that. As you can see, the wheels as well, gotta clean them up. I'm gonna insert a picture of like before I cleaned the valve cover and before I cleaned the intake and all those little pieces. And this is kind of like an in-between. I'll take a picture now too, and then I'll probably show you an after. And after is gonna include all of that. Like, I'm gonna clean all that. I'm gonna take the same pieces out, cover anything electrical that I need, and pressure clean the whole engine bay. Let's get to it. Let's go. Alright guys, check out the mess I've created. So I've taken out quite a bit actually. What you see in blue are connectors. I'm just covering them in blue tape, and also the intake so no water gets in there and anything that may consume water. So I gotta actually get this one, but yeah, I've taken out quite a bit. I have a harness, a lot of the harness right here, harness right there. Yeah, I took it out so I can get to these tight spots and get all that gunk out, make it look good, because again, this is a detailing job, so gotta pay close attention to detail. On this side there's not really a lot of wires, but yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is go get the pressure cleaner and start pressure cleaning it. Yeah, I also had to take out the bulb from here because I had to take out a wire that went through there. And yeah, it's been quite a process actually. Hopefully I remember where half of these things go. Nah, just kidding. I'll remember some way or another. But yeah, so now pressure cleaning time. Let's do it. Check it out. What a difference that made. Oh, god damn. Check it out, guys. She is clean. Clean, clean, clean. I took a lot out. It took a lot of time to put it back together. So that's why it's nighttime now. And I have it halfway in the garage. So I'm probably gonna make another video during the daytime so you guys can actually see the big change that happened. Because it was a lot. Like, it was crazy. It was crazy. Here, let me turn on the light so you guys can kind of get a feel for it for right now. It also started raining out of nowhere, so I had to scramble for a little bit. And yeah, but for the most part, I got it done. Stopped raining and I had to, get back at it. But yeah, she is good.